Fiat 600. Today I will show you where to find the OBD port and VIN number. Let's start with the OBD port. It is located in the standard place, under the steering wheel on the left side. Open the cover and you will see the OBD port right here. Now let's find the VIN number. There are 3 locations. The first one is when you open the driver's door. On the door frame, there is a sticker where you can find the VIN number, paint code, engine code, and other information. The second location is the standard one, at the bottom left corner of the windshield from the outside. And the third location is in the engine bay. Open the hood and you will find the VIN number on the right strut tower. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show you today. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more workshop videos.